Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how to delete multiple conversation add-ons in Snapchat. Okay, open up Snapchat, tap on your profile at top left. Okay, go to settings options and just scrolling a little time. Okay, here is privacy options and here is some options for you like clear conversation, clear search history, contacting syncing and permissions and my data. Okay, I have to clear conversation, just tap on here and here is options for you. So that's it, you can just cross on okay, clear and clear, okay, like this. Okay, that's what I want to show you. Thank you for watching.